There's two ways of doing eyeliner on hooded eyes. The first one is the right one, by the rules. The second one is if you want to avoid the first way of doing an eyeliner. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching. If I totally relax my eyes, you can see that I have heavily hooded eyes. And one is worse than the other one. So I'm the perfect model for this video because usually influencers that are showing you how to create eyeliner on hooded eyes, they have actually like perfect eyes that are not at all hooded. Let's do this now. I hope that my hair is not bothering you today. I tried. I really did. First, I'm gonna start with the right way of doing eyeliner on hooded eyes. Two most important things are you want your eye to be open. The second one is that you want your mirror to be actually on the same height as your eyes, because you cannot really see what you are doing if you're watching yourself down to the mirror or up. And again, if your eyes are closed, you're gonna totally mess your line, because once you open it, it's going to look different. You can try it. My favorite liquid eyeliner is from Eldridge, Kitten Fleek liquid eyeliner. The only thing is that I would really like for her to release the waterproof version. Otherwise, this is the best eyeliner that I have tried. It's super black. It's dispersing the product evenly. So you don't have, that moments of not getting the liquid out at all, or it can even happen that you get too much product out of it and it's going to ruin your line. You really need a good eyeliner for that. But I have here also the Essence Quick Wink Stamp Eyeliner, and I just wanted to show you this one because if you really suck at doing your eyeliner, if you're a total beginner as well, maybe you want to try with something like this. It's a little bit gimmicky, but just for a learning purposes, and it's super cheap. So on one side you have this spongy eyeliner, which I don't recommend, but on the other side you have a stamp that it's this triangle shape. When you're doing your eyeliner, you want to create a line that goes from the end of your eye towards the end of your brow. And the thing with hooded eyes is that this part folds down. So because of that, you need to create a weird shape that looks only weird when your eyes are closed, but when they are open, it looks like a normal flick. So I think that the best way of showing you this is with a stamp eyeliner. So I have to turn a little bit like that so that mirror can be on the same height as my eyes. With my eyes being opened and look straight forward, I'm creating the line. So in my case, I'm just gonna stamp it like that. If you're on a budget, the new eyeliner from Essence Tiny Tip Liner Waterproof, it's actually quite a good one. So again, if you don't have the stamp, you can just create the same line. So here I'm showing you the right way of doing it, and here I'm showing you kind of the wrong way of doing it, but you can get away with it. Now I'm gonna show you on the other side how you can kind of cheat. You can go actually first a little bit down with your line, so you're following the shape of your eye. So because you want to avoid this part of your eye that is sagging down, so you want to create the flick where you don't have that skin folding up. It's so hard to record this. So you want to go a little bit down, and then from here you want to create the same shape. Okay, now let's move on. So from here on, I wouldn't use this product anymore. I would use this kind of eyeliner. With your eyes being opened, you want to connect this part of your eyeliner to the eye. So you want to create kind of a triangle like that. Can you see? Now I've created a triangle, but if I close my eyes, this is what I'm left with. So this is the weird shape that I was talking about. So once you have this shape down, you want to just connect. You just want to create the line. That's how you create the right way your eyeliner. Now I'm gonna show you on the other side. So from here on, you just want to create again that triangle. Again, you want to connect that flick to the eye. Here I exaggerated quite a lot, but I really wanted for you to see the difference between the two. But at the same time, it would look better if I would connect this to the bottom part of my eye. Or you can do the same thing with a very dark eyeshadow. So I would say these are the two ways of doing your eyeliner with an actual eyeliner, because you can do kind of eyeliner effect with your eyeshadow, but that's not an eyeliner, and usually everyone is recommending just doing it with your eyeshadow and just smudging it up. But I know the feeling when you have hooded eyes and you really want to wear eyeliner. You're not gonna sell me the eyeshadow trick. So because of that, I really wanted to show you this. Now I'm just gonna apply mascara so you can see the final result. So this is more of a straight eyeliner, and this is like a true flick where you really create that, you know, very sharp, very angled. Sorry, I need to correct the shape a bit. So here I'm really exaggerating, but you can do a smaller eyeliner and it's going to look better. With this very straight eyeliner, you just don't getting that lifting effect, I would say. Now I'm gonna show you how it looks if you do eyeliner the straight way, but with a very small flick. Okay, so here it's the same principle as with the second eyeliner that I showed, but it's just very short. So you want to create a very straight line and then you just want to end it very quickly. You don't want to go into that very obvious flick, but it's more so it's a straight line and then with an angle you just close it. So because of that, I would highly recommend, even more so, to create a shadow here, because the lighter this part of your eye is, the more obvious is that it's hooded. So you want to kind of visually push it back with a crease shade. I had it on before, so it's not a major difference. You can always get around it a little bit, but the best way is still the first way of doing it, because you create that lift eye effect and very wide eye look. But you know, most of the time I don't want to have that weird shape when I close my eyes, so I'm kind of always trying to get around it. So I totally understand all who have hooded eyes and who really want to have an eyeliner day to kind of look for other ways of doing it, basically. For me, eyeliner is the hardest to show you how to do it, just because you need, at least me, I really need to have my mirror up my face. You need to have the right conditions. Very hard to do it if you have hooded eyes. So I hope you saw that. I hope I managed to show you. If you enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. So also you can comment down below which way you're going to try to do eyeliner if you have hooded eyes. Okay, so have a lovely day and see you in my next video. Bye.